back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna show you my craft haul purchase in order to start resin art. So let's see what I have bought. The main and most important material for resin art is resin and hardener. I bought this kit from Daraz and it was safely packed and delivered on time. I'm so happy with this purchase because it came with a handy plastic bottle and very easy to use and store as well. Check out the description for the links of the online stores which you can buy all these materials. Simply you have to select the country and place the orders. And if anyone here new to the channel and want to learn crafting, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get our video notifications. Now let's see what are the other needful things that we have to start up resin art. Dust mask. Dust mask will prevent inhaling chemical and dust while sanding resin pieces. And next we will be needing a rubber gloves. Resin is very sticky, and when you're working with resin you must have rubber gloves for your safety. These are the main safety precautions you have to take, and make sure you protect your working place and also do resin work in a place where you get good airflow, and wear old clothes which you really don't care about. And then we need some wet wipes in any brand. We use these wet wipes to clean the silicone molds. Hand dremels are in various types and sizes. I bought a manually operated hand dremel as I am a beginner for resin art. Dremel used to put holes in resin pieces and make jewelry. Silicone molds comes in different shapes and patterns. Here I have purchased around 6 molds, and I will purchase more and more different shapes when I need them. This mold has numbers and letters on it. I'm so excited to use this. And this mold is very useful one when we are going to make jewelry. The main benefit in this mold is we don't have to use the Dremel, as it has already have holes in the mold itself, so it will be so easy to use. This is a very small and a cute mold. I think I can use this mold to make earring pieces. These are epoxy resin pigment dye. Actually, I thought of buying more colors, but all the other colors which I like was out of stock when I'm placing the order. So I will be ordering more and more colors in my next order. These colors are so beautiful, and I think we can make a lot of nice resin pieces using these colors. These are plastic resin dispensers. You can use silicone ones as well. And I bought a mini glue gun. Click on the link top right corner to check how to use it. This is silver and gold dust. You can buy this from any stationery shop. These are metal pendant bases. They look so beautiful. We can make the resin pieces using silicone mold and then paste those resin pieces on these pendant bases. Earring hooks, jump rings and screw eye pins. These are jewelry supplies, and this is ball chain that we can use these to make necklaces. This is a pack of embellishment I ordered. I'm planning to buy more embellishments like dry flowers in various colors. I've ordered silicone mat and some embellishments and colors and everything. So when I get them, I will try to do another haul video. B6000 glue. I think this will help me to make my resin work more easy. I like most is this tube has a small tiny tip, so it will be useful when we work with tiny resin pieces. And these are letter beads. I got these for very cheaper price. These are squeeze transfer pipettes, and I'm gonna use these as bubble outs. Actually, you may use a straw as well. And we need some popsicle stick to mix the dye and resin. Tweezers will help to hold and place the embellishments inside the molds. So this is my craft haul to start up resin art. I am a beginner for resin art and I like everyone to join with me so we can learn together. Hope you enjoyed the video today. Thanks for watching.